Welcome to AI and Human Life, a Symbiotic Future. We're exploring the profound ways artificial intelligence is integrating with and transforming human existence. Artificial intelligence is no longer science fiction. It's becoming an integral part of our daily routines, fundamentally changing how we live, work, and learn. What exactly is AI? Simply put, it's the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines, especially computer systems, enabling them to learn, reason, and self-correct. From smart assistants to personalized recommendations, AI's role is rapidly expanding. It is quietly weaving itself into the fabric of our modern world. One of the most life-changing areas is healthcare. AI is revolutionizing medicine, making it more predictive, preventative, and personalized. AI algorithms can analyze medical images and data far faster than humans, leading to earlier and more accurate diagnoses and truly personalized treatment plans. Robotic surgical systems, powered by AI, enable surgeons to perform complex procedures with unparalleled precision, resulting in better patient outcomes and quicker recovery times. In the workplace, AI is reshaping careers and industries. It's moving beyond simple data processing to true collaborative support. Routine and repetitive tasks are increasingly being handed over to AI and automation, freeing up human workers to focus on more strategic and creative endeavors. AI is becoming a powerful partner for innovation, providing insights and generating ideas that enhance human creativity and problem-solving abilities. Education is also being fundamentally transformed. AI offers the potential for tailored learning experiences unlike anything we've seen before. I can adapt curriculum paths in real time, matching each student's pace and learning style, making education more efficient and effective for everyone. With AI, massive amounts of information are instantly accessible and digestible, democratizing access to knowledge across the globe. As AI advances, so do the critical ethical questions we must address. Responsible development is paramount. Concerns surrounding data privacy, security, and algorithmic bias must be carefully managed to ensure AI benefits everyone fairly, without discrimination. We must also consider the changing job market. While some jobs will be automated, new opportunities in AI development and human-AI collaboration will emerge. The convergence of AI and human life is not about replacing humanity, but augmenting it. This is the path to a brighter future. The true promise of AI lies in a symbiotic relationship, where human intuition and creativity are amplified by the speed and precision of artificial intelligence. Let's commit to responsible AI development, ensuring this powerful technology is used to build a better, more inclusive, and prosperous future for all.